Have you ever thought to yourself, I don't understand my Bible? Well, you may not be alone, because guess what? When I started reading my Bible and going to church and came to Christ, I didn't really understand my Bible either. In fact, I had more questions than I had answers. So I've started this series called Your Daily Bible Study. And that's one of the biggest things in my heart, is to help people to study their Bible. So we're going to go on a journey today, and I'm going to teach you about some basic ways that you can study your Bible. Thing number one is simple. I mean, you can see it on the screen right now. You can just get a Bible, and you need to sit down and just start reading your Bible. And if you're new to the faith, I would say that I would start in the New Testament. I would start with Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, Acts, and go straight through the New Testament. And then as time goes on, go back and pick up the pieces in Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy. Those are the main chapters of the Old Testament, the main books. And I would suggest you that, number one, just reading your Bible is one of the best things that you can do. Some people, they like to read books about the Bible, but they don't want to read the Bible themselves.